To set up MetaTrader 5 on your PC, follow these steps. First, download the MetaTrader 5 platform from the official MetaQuotes website or a reputable brokerage firm. Once the download is complete, run the installation file and follow the prompts to install the software. When the installation is complete, launch the MetaTrader 5 platform and you will be prompted to open a demo or live account. If you are new to MetaTrader 5, it is recommended to start with a demo account to get familiar with the platform. To open a demo account, click on the File menu and select Open Account. Then choose the Demo Account option and fill in the required information. You will receive a demo account login and password which you can use to access the platform. Once you have logged in, you will see the MetaTrader 5 interface, which consists of several sections including the menu, toolbar, market watch, and charts. The menu section provides access to various platform features such as file, edit, and view. The toolbar section provides quick access to frequently used functions such as new order and chart. The Market Watch section displays a list of available financial instruments and their current prices. You can add or remove instruments from this section by right-clicking and selecting the symbols option. The Charts section is where you can view and analyze financial charts. You can open a new chart by clicking on the File menu and selecting New Chart, or by dragging and dropping an instrument from the Market Watch section to the chart area. To customize the platform, you can change the language, layout, and other settings by clicking on the Tools menu and selecting Options. You can also install additional plugins and indicators from the MetaTrader 5 marketplace. Finally, to ensure a smooth and secure trading experience, make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for MetaTrader 5 and keep the platform updated with the latest version. By following these steps, you can successfully set up MetaTrader 5 on your PC and start trading.